guys, we've got I'm gonna come show you what we're reviewing today. We got a new segment that we're gonna be doing called Food Review. We've got a Mountain House, it's the name brand, I'm assuming, ice cream sandwich, but it's a freeze-dried one you can take camping. It's good for camping and you can have it anywhere. So we're gonna try it today.
And ignore the gunshot and some fireworks.
Yeah.
It's New Year's Eve.
We're gonna open this bad baby up and let's test it.
Test it.
Yeah, food review.
And it does not have any attachment rails.
Oh.
You can't say that. There's no.
And paper wrapping. Oh, this looks like my grandma's.
No.
But
Go show them.
Okay, I'll show them. Get the bigger half or small half?
I want the small half.
I'll take the big half.
Exactly. It's your food connoisseur. So what are the instructions?
I think you're supposed to just get out of the bag and it's ready to go. That's what it looks like.
But it feels like.
Looks like the normal one, but.
It feels like paper.
Yeah.
There's no way that's real.
Well, we're gonna test that theory.
Is there really?
Let's get to eating this bad boy.
Is it ready to eat?
Yeah, it's ready to eat. Yeah, I mean.
But it.
Let's do it. Come on. Just.
Oh, it's not ready to eat. Oh, it is not ready to eat. What? Oh my god.
It tastes like a normal ice cream sandwich.
Like I'm biting a brick.
What do you think you ate?
I bit that piece off right there. Don't touch it. That's what I ate.
Ew, it's wet.
It just wet in my mouth. So I'm picking up the crap I'm gonna eat.
You said you weren't gonna eat. It's literally ready to go. Literally just put it in your big bite. Big bite. You have to eat it.
I ate it.
No, you didn't. You said, I'm not ready to eat. You said, you gotta try it. Actually try it. No, yeah. No. Oh, you did. See what?
Oh my god. Ugh. I couldn't chew it.
How can you use your teeth?
I would have never guessed, but it was as wide as my mouth. I couldn't get it to move.
Try it again.
Try it again. But crap.
Try it.
Which? Okay. Someone just died.
Try it again. Come on, it's good. You gotta chew it. Actually, eat it.
Yeah, I'm not.
Try it. No, keep going. No, finish it. Don't spit it. No, don't spit it out.
It's foreign. It's not like
Foreign. It's not foreign.
not like different. I've never tasted anything like that before.
Here we go. Yes, this is a real ice cream sandwich with real vanilla ice cream between two delicious cookie wafers.
Definitely.
Oh wait, don't touch mine.
I didn't touch that. Ew, that's the one I ate.
You'll be
Ugh.
astonished by the taste. The
Ugh.
best part is this ice cream won't drip on your shirt or stick to your fingers, but it will make you
Want to throw up?
do that.
Grab on my shirt.
Why? Because like dozens of other foods, the Mountain House has been making since 1968. It's freeze dried. See? Watch it at the beginning of the video. It's knowledge. This amazing process allows you to easily pack in the wilderness adventures, wrap it as a gift, hand it off as a reward, or even take it with you to the moon. Oh my god.
It's like a cracker. There's more crumbs than drip. Did you bite? Oh, I thought you bit your freaking string.
Good. It's like a normal ice cream sandwich.
But crunchy.
And stinky.
No! Oh.
Well, this food review, I give it a 8 out of 10.
I would say a 3 because it tastes like paper and a brick. But maybe we're doing. Yeah.
It's kind of not squishy. Here's a close up and me eating it. Wonderful.
Whoop!